Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. In today's video, we have an unboxing of the NewBeauty TestTube September box, as well as we're giving away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which ones yet. I haven't even unsealed it yet. Putting the box down. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Juvia's Place NewBeauty palette. Looks like this. Look at those gorgeous fall inspired shades. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll take you to all my current giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Just be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Sydney Grace Quintessence palette in the shade Light. And I mainly have these blues on my eyes today. So NewBeauty has its own subscription box. It is called the TestTube box, and we'll get into a little bit why it's actually TestTube. So the NewBeauty TestTube box has been around for a while. I want to say it's one of the first subscription boxes out there. It does retail for $29.95. It's an every other month box. So this is September. The next one won't come out, obviously, until November. And there's always over $200 worth of products in the boxes. It's usually skincare, makeup, kind of good for you type things. Mainly skincare, very little on the makeup. So let's dive in, see what's in here. So this little card says, falling in love with beauty. As the seasons change, so does your beauty routine. Now is the time to switch up your lightweight summertime products for those ultra hydrating ones. Don't know where to start? Take a peek at the editor-curated must-haves inside your September test tube. Learn more about what's inside the tube by scanning the QR code. I love that they put this on here there. That way you don't have like bulky stuff that isn't good for the planet. So the reason it's called test tube is because most of the items come in a tube. It is a recyclable tube. You can put hair scrunchies, you can put makeup brushes, you can do all sorts of stuff kind of with the tube itself. Let's get into a couple of products that would not even fit in there. So if you see me looking down, it's because my notes and where I've looked up the QR code information is all on my phone. So here we have from Saints and Sinners. It is the Super Refresh Divine Dry Shampoo. Retails for $30. Oil absorbing and volume enhancing, this dry shampoo is the perfect replacement for wash day, especially when hair is looking extra matted and flat. Obviously, I don't have that problem. I don't really use a dry shampoo, so I'll probably pass this one along or put it in today's giveaway. It does retail for $30. What is this? From Levon is a liposome vitamin B complex. Retails for $51.95. The B vitamins and minerals your body needs for optimal cellular energy, immune function, and brain health, delivered in a way you can finally absorb. So basically you squeeze the packet into 1 to 3 ounces of a cool beverage 1 to 2 times per day as directed by your medical practitioner on an empty stomach. Swallow in 1 gulp-like shot. Wait at least 15 minutes before eating. So Lipo B is a game changer for people who have difficulty absorbing B vitamins and zinc. The formulation allows it to get the vitamins and minerals where they need to go. So you really feel the difference when taking this supplement. So I was informed today that I have a very different, I was having a hard time getting over the thing that's going around everywhere. So I'm going to give this to her and see, because I know zinc can sometimes help with that. And it's totally up to her if she wants to give it to her loved one or not, or go from there. But if I can help, I'll help. The other items were from Mediheal DNA Hydrating Protein Mask. Retails for $3.98. I have tried these. I absolutely love them. Soaked in a creamy serum to amp up your skin's hydration level. This heavy-hitting sheet mask leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. I love these, you guys. Okay, now let's find out which ones are in the tube itself. Remember, we're giving away one of these to one of you somewhere. I love these things. So this is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universally Daily Peel 5-pack, retails for $17. A 2-step formulation that both brightens the skin's overall complexion and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots. This doctor-developed peel is easy and safe enough to use at home without requiring recovery period. So they were created to mimic professional peels. You'll see amazing results without any flaking or any irritation. Love these. Swear by these. These are amazing. BeautyAmaB Strawberry Booster? What is a strawberry booster? I love strawberries, by the way, though. They're my all-time favorite food. All time. This retails for $9.99. It's a rich, nourishing facial oil made entirely from cold-pressed strawberry seeds that can be added to any part of your skincare routine to hydrate, soften, and soothe dry, flaky skin in need of a quench. You can use a small amount, also add it to your moisturizer. It's perfect for softening boost for oilier skin too. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin and won't clog your pores. And the product looks like this on the inside. From Daily Concepts is the Jade Guilloche Facial Tool. Retails for $16. I already have one of these. To help remove water retention and lymphatic waste in the face, increase blood flow, and smooth out any light muscles or joints, glide this Jade Guilloche across your face and atop your favorite serum or moisturizer. Not only does it give skin a radiant glow, but it also makes it feel irresistibly smooth. I really do like them. I don't need a bunch of them, so we'll either do that in today's giveaway or a future one. What in the world is this? It's DeoDoc Deo Spray. Retails for $22.50. Your armpits aren't the only part of your body that sweats. Your vulva does too. Thankfully, DeoDoc's team of female doctors made a safe, intimate deodorant spray that absorbs moisture from sweat to keep the vulvar area fresh all day. Shake and spray. They can be inches away from the skin, only intended for external use. First I was like, what? Back up, sister. But, okay, so now I'm gonna share something really personal with you guys. So about 2 months ago, maybe now. Oh, I can't believe I mean sharing this with you guys. Woo. Yeah, there's a lot of people in my life that don't know this. And I'm sharing it with you. I was diagnosed with an HS, which is an autoimmune disorder. It's basically where your body can produce boils, basically. But a lot of times they won't heal on their own. And depending on what stage you are, they can go where they can infect the sinus tracts and create almost like little gopher holes, or one will pop up here, one will pop up here. And it's really common in parts of the skin where one part of the skin, it touches another, so like your neck, underneath your breast, buttocks, groin area, armpits, anything like that. And one of the key things that I have found that helps me out is if I keep everything really, really dry. So I'm wondering if this might help. I don't know. What do you guys think? It can't hurt to try. Anyway, that's my little personal story for the day. Some from Mood is a lip balm that retails for $19. Nourish and protect your lips with this lip balm, which comes in 4 different flavors. This one is in Blue Defense, and it says no matter which one you receive, you'll be whisked away to your happy place with each swipe. It's a rich blend of cocoa and shea butter, manuka honey, and zinc oxide. Gets the credit for super moisturizing action. Okay, but a $19 lip balm? I don't know about that. So from Yes To is a daily eye treatment, retails for $9.99. When you need to look like you got more sleep than you actually did, happens to me all the time, apply Yes To the Cucumber's daily eye treatment under your eyes. Not only does it help depuff and minimize the appearance of dark circles, but it also soothes and moisturizes skin in an instant. It does retail for $9.99. The other thing that's in here is kind of interesting. It doesn't have a product because it's kind of an online thing. So what it is, it's Face Gym 30-day online class pass. Gain ultimate access to Face Gym's complete timetable of highly intense full face workouts for the comforts of your own home. Who said workouts were only for your body? 30-day online class pass to your cart and use a promo code at checkout. So there's that one too. Okay, you know, I said I was done with personal story time. I have one more for you. So this past weekend, I went up to Montana to watch my son race in his first race for his sophomore year. He's a cross-country runner. And it was in Dillon, Montana. Kind of a cool little town. But, you guys, it broke my heart. My son has been dealing with a back injury since last October, so almost a year, a lower back injury. He's seen multiple specialists. He's had x-rays, he's had physical therapy, he's done massages, he's done cupping, he's done all sorts of stuff. Nothing is helping him. And he's okay when he's doing a workout, but it's like the actual race itself. About halfway through, his back just goes super tight. Anyway, I've never seen my little boy. My little boy is 6'3" and I'm 5'3". My boy in so much pain. And it broke my heart to see him that way. And what sucked even more is, so he didn't finish the race. He got halfway through it. But his team won the team event in both the men and the women's side. So that was good. What really, really sucked is that he had to get on his bus and go back up to a different part of Montana where he's going to school at. And I had to get in my car and drive away and go to Idaho, which is where I'm from. And I felt like such a bad mom because I was leaving my son. But I knew there was nothing I could do and that I had to get home. Oh, I just hated feeling that way. Hated it. So long story short, let's do that secret word of the day, be Montana. For a giveaway, let's give away these 2 masks. They are amazing. I have a bunch, so I want to give away both of these to one of you. If you look in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and put on it that secret word. You can't get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, AMA, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. If you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Do not fill out that Google form multiple times. Just mark on the Google form if you did the bonus entries or not. I do check. And then I'll put in when we do our little spin the wheel every month, which I just did one. So if you guys haven't checked out that video for last month, make sure to do so. Anyway, we'll do our little spin the wheel. I'll put in everybody's first name, first initial of their last name, and if they have bonus entries, I'll put that in, and the computer spins and it picks it. I don't, so don't ask to be won. I just verify that yes, everybody's done what they are supposed to be doing. So let's have this giveaway go through October 15th. Then on October 21st, my birthday, we'll do our little announcement video where we spin all the wheels and give away a bunch of prizes. It's my birthday, I'm giving back to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. If you have liked this video, give it a big like. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those, because I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings. When we hit big milestones, I try and do bigger giveaways for those too. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.